I wish I could say that this was a transformation video, but the truth is this customer's house was already really clean. And sometimes when I show up to jobs like this, I am kind of confused. I'm like, why am I here? But I have to remember that my level of clean is not somebody else's level of clean. And some people really take pride in maintaining their home. You can see in this video that this customer manicures his lawn really well. He takes care of even the rocks that are around the house. So he is really basically he really like looks forward and tries to maintain his home and tries to stay ahead of any dirt. There was a little bit on the siding, and he opted for a soft wash. Now this customer was really awesome because I have cleaned his house before and I have cleaned his church. I donated a cleaning service to his church, so he wanted me to come out and soft wash his home siding and just kind of stay ahead of it, and he wanted me to pressure wash all his concrete. I think it came out looking really good. The customer was really happy with it. I was really happy with the results, and it's really nice seeing people stay ahead of it. While I love cleaning like really dirty homes, I also have come to enjoy watching people stay ahead of the cleaning schedule and yeah, just really maintain their home. So watch this video, and if you like content like this, it's not really a transformation video, but just more satisfying cleaning. If you like videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button and comment below. Do you think it's better to stay ahead of the cleaning, or do you want to wait for the house to get a little bit dirty so you can get a little bit more value for your money? What are your thoughts? Drop the like on this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.